This is a video to demonstrate lubrication points on the Bike Friday folding stem to address creaking noises. The first thing we want to make sure is that the lower section of the stem and expansion wedge is thoroughly greased. All surfaces where the wedge slides against the stem and where the stem inserts into the steer tube of the bike. Grease is a good lubricant for that. A light oil can be applied where the quick release cam meets this little brass shim, on both sides of the brass shim, on both top and bottom of the quick release. A little bit of light oil on the pivot for the quick release cam is a good idea. That helps make sure that you're clamping it down solidly and securely without too much force, with plenty of force to clamp without requiring a huge amount of force at the lever. A bit of oil underneath the clamp where it wraps around the main stem riser can be very handy. That's most easily accessed via the top here. Nice and effective with the with gravity, and then you can invert it and get a bit of oil in underneath. Other places where a bit of oil can be assist is on either side of the primary sliding hinge. Also, a bit of lubrication along the upper section of the lower folded area here will ensure smooth action as the upper stem slides up and down during the folding process.